I am going to be sharing with you the difference between 360, 180 and 90-degree plane, how I folded each of these to get the patterns, and also a finished example on a fabric using the same waist and length measurement so that you can see what each outcome look like. The degree of a circle is 360. If you take a closer look at this pattern, you will see that it has a circular shape. That is to say, all 360-degree plane has a circular shape like this. Now, if you divide 360 by 2, you get 180. Let's just divide so you see what it looks like. This is looking like this, and this is 180. So all 180-degree plane is 360 divided by 2. All 180-degree plane looks like this, and it is half of a circle. Now, if you divide the 180 by 2, you will get 90. Let's just close. And this is what 90-degree plane looks like. The 90-degree plane is quarter of 360. So if you place it here, you will see is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is quarter is 1/4. So this is our 90-degree plane. I will just go ahead to show you how I folded the pattern to get each of these plane. This pattern plane here is 360 degree because the shape I have in front of me is a full circle like this. So all full circle is 360 degree. This part here like this is the waist. This part like this here is the length of the plane. And this part like this is the hem of the plane. To fold the 360-degree plane, you first fold your pattern of fabric into two like this, and into another two again like this. So what you have here is 1, 2, 3, 4. You fold into two first like this, and into another two again like this. So I will be using waist 28 and length 7. I'm using waist 28 because the waist of my mannequin is 28, because I intend placing this on my mannequin so that you can see the outcome. First, we divide 28 by 4 to get 7. We are dividing by 4 because after folding we have 1, 2, 3, 4. You look for where 7 fall into. I'll just mark this point here like this. Now I'll take from this part like this. What I have is 4.5. So I'll have 4.5. And I'll take the marking like this too, from this edge like this here to this part. Where 4.5 is, I'll just mark it like this. 4.5 I will mark like this. 4.5 I will mark like this. 4.5 I will mark. After doing the marking, I'll just try to connect with my chalk like this. So I have a curve here like this. Then I'll look for length 7. This is where 7 is. I'll mark here. This is where 7 is. I'll mark here. This is where 7 is. I'll mark here like this. This is where 7 is. I'll mark here. This is where 7 is. I'll mark here. This is where 7 is. I'll mark here. After getting all the marking, I'll try to connect all of them like this. and this is it. So I'll just put my seam allowance on both sides. For the waist side and the hem side, I'm using 1/2 inch. So this is what 1/2 inch is. So I'll just draw like this. This will be my seam allowance, and this part like this to represent my seam allowance. Then I will cut. I'll cut the end part like this. So this is our 300, and this pattern play here is 180 degree. I know it is 180 degree because the shape I have in front of me here is half of a circle. So whenever you see a play with half of a circle like this, know it is cut on 180 degree. This part here represents the waist, here represents the length of the play, while this part here represents the hem of the play. To get this play, you first fold your fabric into two like this, and into another two like this. Note that after folding, you also have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my fabric here. Just the same way I folded that one, I'll fold this one first into two like this, again like this. I will be using waist 28 and the play length is 7. I'm using 28 like I said for the other one because my mannequin waist is 28 and I want to place it on my mannequin for you to see what the outcome look like. So first I will divide 28 by 4 to get 7. I'm dividing by 4 because of this 4 here. So I'll place my tape like this here and look for where 7 falls. Okay, and this is where 7 is. So I'll just mark this part here where I get my 7. Then I'll measure like this. What I get is 8. I'll just mark it here. And cut the top part too. This is the shape of my peplum on 180 degree. So now I will do same for 90 degree play so that you see what it looks like. The pattern play I have here is 90 degree. I know it is 90 degree because the shape I have here is quarter of a circle. So this is the waist, this is the length of the play, and this is the hem. To get this pattern, first you fold into two like this and into another two again like this. If you count, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4. So first I will fold into two like this and into another two again like this. The waist I'll be using is 28 and the flare length is 7 like I used for the others. 28 divided by 4 because of this 4 here is 7. So I'll just go on to look for where 7 is, and this is where my 7 is like this. So I'll just mark. I'll measure from here to here. what I get is 16. So I'll just mark on 16. And this is what I got. So this is the plate for 90 degree. This is the model I'll be using for the display of the 3 different plate I made. This is the 90-degree flame. So this is what 90-degree flame looks like. While this is the look for 180-degree flame. So this is what 180-degree flame looks like. And this is the look for 360-degree flame. So this is what 360-degree flame looks like. In my next video, we will be learning about 720 and 1440 degree flame with practical example like this. If you find today's video helpful, I would like you to subscribe for more videos like this, and also turn on your notification bell so that you will be the first to get notified whenever a video is being posted. Like this video, share with your family, and also give it a thumbs up. Thank you.